Hey, what's up, Internet? This is going to be a quick video. So I went out and bought some of those 18650 lithium-ion cells from Walmart by Westinghouse, and I tested them out, so I want to share that with you. So I took 2 of them and tested them fairly thoroughly. The test equipment I used is this circuit board that I used to drain one of them and charge it as well. And then I drained and charged with my iMAX B6AC V2. And it's got like a readout for milliamp hours. Yes, and also if the software doesn't completely crash, you can see it in this like cool graphic right here. Yeah, so initial charge, I charged it at 1 amp, and it went from its state in the packaging, which was around 3.5 volts, to it cut off at 4.2 volts, or says 4.21 here, at 790 milliamp hour of capacity. Then I drained it, and then I charged it, and I got 1,668 milliamp hours over the course of 5,800 seconds. And then I also got 1,719 milliamp hours on another charge from empty. You can see one of the discharges I did down to 3.2 volts from a full charge registered at 1,859 milliamp hours. So that was pretty good. And I took a picture of the display because the software crashed. Not a solid 2,000 milliamp hours, but possibly if you drain it down well below 3, which is not necessarily good for the battery, you could possibly see 2,000 milliamp hours. Nonetheless, it's not like they're completely cheating you and selling you like 1,000 milliamp hour cells. So these seem to be pretty decent cells. If you're looking for them, it's possible that the Walmart near you in the garden section has these. I paid $11, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with them. Well, anyway, I hope that helped. See you later, Internet.